We're talking about PIA, private internet access today, guys. So let's get straight into this and have some fun. So we're talking about privateinternetaccess.com. They call it PIA, all right? It's an incredible VPN, and that's what I'm reviewing for you today. Now, we do have an exclusive deal going on, and I'll show you that later on in the video. But for now, let's go into exactly why I'm promoting this VPN over different VPNs. So as a whole, a VPN is going to allow you to be secure online, okay? So let's look at what a VPN is first. So guys, let me show you this that actually explains what a VPN is. Okay, so a VPN is all your information going, the hacker's looking at it, the government's looking at it, the corporate's looking at it. Okay, that's the normal between you and the internet. Now with a VPN, you can see in the middle where it traps, okay? It keeps you completely secure. Hackers can't see, government can't see, and corporates can't see what you're connected to on the internet. So a VPN is a virtual private network and cybersecurity tool that reroutes your internet traffic through an encrypted tunnel, allowing you to protect your privacy, secure your data, and bypass network blocks. Okay, it gives you extra privacy and safety freedom online. So it reroutes your traffic through an encrypted tunnel, another server acting as an intermediary between your internet service provider ISP and your intended online destination. Now, when you do this, your ISP or network admin can't log or store any of your browsing data. So why choose PIA? Guys, the Trustpilot rating is a huge 4.5 stars, okay? Look at that, 4.5 stars on Trustpilot. This isn't no medium review. This isn't no review on an article. This is a Trustpilot review. They are killing the space. Now, they cover a complete 84 countries and every 50 state, okay? Every one of the United States, all 50 of them plus 84 countries, means you get access to an insane coverage of the globe. You have to try it, okay? It's one of the only top VPNs that offers 100% open source VPN apps. It's our way of saying that we have nothing to hide and they don't have to take your word for it. You can check for yourself. The source code is publicly available. The open source code has fewer vulnerabilities and decreases the risk of data and breaches, and anybody can scrutinize or verify the source code. That's why we're loving PIA right now. But let me talk to you about the pricing. Now guys, like I said, you only get this incredible deal, saving 83% plus 4 months for free by clicking that link down below. Let me show you the exact target of the prices. Guys, it's so ridiculously affordable that everybody is flocking here to get this VPN because of the greatest features. And look at these prices, $2.03 a month. That is less than this cup of coffee cost me. All right, you'll get 2 years, 4 months for free with 83% off, and you still get your 30-day money back guarantee. Guys, that link down below is the only way you're getting this deal. So please, please do me a big favor. If you take anything from this, hit that link and get this deal before it runs out. So guys, here's what it looks like. You have an extension up at the top, okay? It's got everything for you if you don't want to click it on, and then you can have your settings, protocols up. Super easy. If you want to click connect, just click on the country you want. Let's connect to Serbia, and within seconds, it's connected. Okay, that's how easy it is. If you want to change it over to Britain or whatever country that you want to do, okay, you can. Now, if you just click on this arrow here, it can show you all of the countries. Super easy going down here. All right, let's, for example, go on for Ukraine. Okay, you can connect to Ukraine just like that. Shows you exactly the speed that's coming on, the download speed, the upload speed. You can change all your settings. I want you to dive in to the settings and feel comfortable with this. Okay, I'm not here to teach you the settings. I'm here to show you that this is a very easy and user-friendly VPN right now. Okay, we're connected. If you want to disconnect, no problem. Just click off it and it will disconnect or connect to a different server. You can right-click on here as well, okay, and press disconnect and it will do it for you. You've got your protocols up here, WireGuard, OpenVPN. It's one of the only VPNs, like I said, that has OpenVPN, so it's incredible. Okay, then you got your network privacy, dedicated, split tunnel, multi-hop, and your account and help. If you need help, just click on that or go onto the website and get help. So guys, if you choose to get this and hitting that link down below gets you that deal, then this is what it looks like. It's incredibly easy. It's got all the insights you need, shows you exactly what IP you're on, and it's super safe. That's all I've got for you today, guys. Remember, hitting that link down below is going to get you that most exclusive deal. So again, please hit that link and let's get involved. Now hit that like button, hit the subscribe, and hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.